It's week 2. Who the Jets play? Cleveland Browns. We eating Polish boys and Polish girls. Every day cooking, dad, cooking every day. Yeah, the Jets lost last week. That's okay. But we're going to take it down this week. And we eating Polish boys and Polish girls. That's the meal that's famous out there in Cleveland. Got to make it out there one day. All right. Polish boy, Polish girl is a kielbasa sausage with coleslaw, French fries on top. You also put on the Polish girl gets pulled pork. The Polish boy does not. And there's our barbecue sauce we're using today. All right, don't confuse the Polish boy with the poor boy. That's down in New Orleans. That has shrimp. I have a video on that. Go check it out. Let's talk a little football. We lost last week. It's okay. Offense didn't look good. You know, it all has to come together. We'll see what the full package looks like when we're done at the end of the season. And this week we're playing Cleveland. Cleveland's not Baltimore. In no way. So we're going to see where the Jets at this week. We're going to go to the dog pound and we're going to lock them up. We're going to put them dogs in chains. I'm talking trash. All right. So the French fries we're going to put in our air fryer. I just got that air fryer. Just starting to get used to it. It's actually a pretty good machine to work with. Now, this is a pretty good meal. It kind of reminds me of when I first started living in New Jersey. There was this place that used to sell Italian hot dogs on Route 22. It was a hot dog with potatoes on top. I can't remember if the potatoes were seasoned. I'm pretty sure they were. But it's a similar meal. Alright guys, I've been only working with this air fryer for a couple of weeks. Got that from Costco. And it's 15 minutes. We'll be eating soon. So we're just heating. The kielbasa is already cooked through. Oh, and let me tell you, I got that kielbasa from this place in Jersey. They make fresh sausages there. And this is a garlic kielbasa. They also have a double smoked kielbasa. I'll put a link to the place down below. So all of this meat we're just heating through. And we're just trying to time it with the French fries in. So I just started to heat it so we can get a little brown on one side. And then in with some water. And we're going to just steam this down till the water's gone. And that's it. We'll be eating soon. We're in the home run stretch. Alright guys, please like, subscribe. Let's get this channel rolling. You can say, yo, I was there in the beginning when he started doing this. Look at him now. Alright, we got these rolls from a local bakery. Pretty good. They called them a small Italian rolls. Yeah, I got those instead of hot dog rolls. I'm making 2. I'm leaving 1 for my daughter, 1 for myself. All right, now we're hitting it up with the coleslaw. Guys, the coleslaw and the barbecue sauce, it actually goes together pretty daggone well. With the smoke from the kielbasa, this is actually pretty good. You know, if I'm ever out in Cleveland, I definitely want to try the original, the OG. This is, when you eat one of these, you're good for the whole day. Maybe when you're coming from the club at night, you get your Polish boy or your Polish girl. Oh, yeah. I can see it, guys. I can see it. Barbecue sauce. You just use your favorite. It's all good. Then we go on with the pulled pork. Then we're going to load this up with the French fries. Yo, Cleveland, y'all know what y'all doing out there. I never actually thought to take a kielbasa and eat it like a hot dog. It's a good idea. The person that came up with this, I don't know. I was gonna say it. What was they smoking? This is something you come up with. You know, you doing something. It's really good. All right, the flyover. There's our Polish girl with the pulled pork, French fries, coleslaw, barbecue sauce. It all comes together so well. There's our Polish boy, coleslaw, barbecue sauce, French fries with our fresh baked roll. Guys, it all comes together just well, just fine. So you know what I'm going to do? You know I got to do it. JETS, Jets, every day, cooking dad, cooking every day.